YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host TKK and we are back with another video, guys. Today we've got a different type of review. We're not doing technology, we're actually looking at a piece of fashion. This is a pair of boots that are manufactured from Ralph Lauren in collaboration and design with Naiomi Glasses. Very much so anticipated. I've been wanting these boots for quite some time since I've seen some photos previewing them, okay? So within this video, we're gonna unbox these, take a look at the craftsmanship, see how they were packaged, just get a good in-depth look at these. Not sure if I want to do an on-foot video. I want to keep these dead stock until I really do get like the type of clothes that I want to wear with them. We're going to get it going right after this intro. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a brief review. We're going to unbox these boots, get an in-depth look at them, okay? The mission story behind why I got these. Well, I live down south now, but I am from Michigan, Detroit area to be specific, and we get seasons there. And even though I live down south where it's hot now, I always have that internal, timer that just goes off whenever it's fall time that tells me I need to get me a pair of boots. Sometimes I get two pairs, right? And I love Ralph Lauren. All I wear is Ralph Lauren, unless it's like some kind of animated Street Fighter tee. I'm in Ralph all day. And so, this is a beautiful collaboration. They've got a lot of beautiful pieces, coats, jackets, all types of materials. But these boots, man, they just really caught my eye. So we're going to open these up, take an in-depth look at these. Starting off with, let me just show you the box. I'm going to flip the camera in a second. This is a box looking at the top. Now, I purchased these in a size 13. I'm a size 12 to 13. I went ahead and got these in the 13 just because I wanted to make sure that I was comfortable when I do decide to put them on. I don't expect to wear these anytime soon. Definitely not going to put them in like snow or anything like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and open these up and take a deep look. All right, so let's start with the box. I showed you the top. Again, we're going to do this again. Get you a good look at the top. Front end is going to have a UPC barcode there. Talk about the sizing. You go to the left of the box. You got Polo Ralph Lauren, RL Authentic Makers. You got the Naiomi Glasses, Artist in Residence. Right side of the box has nothing. Top of the box has nothing. General overview of the box right there. Let's come with like a piece of, I don't know what this is exactly. Go ahead and snap that. I do like to have that there. Kind of makes it feel like it was sealed. Inside of the box has this. It says this footwear is designed in collaboration with our artist in residence, Naiomi Glasses, a 7th generation Navajo textile artist from Rock Point, Arizona. So nice there. Let me get you a closer look. So it does look like it ships with a store bag, a bag for you to store them in, similarly to what you get if you got yourself a leather good bag. No space for you to be able to holster both the left and the right boot. So nice touch there. All right, here's a clean look at the boot, the outside. Look at it from the right. There's a good representation of what it looks like on the left or the inside. Here's a solid look at the rear of the boots. And here's a nice shot of the front of the boots. Next transition, I'll pick one up and kind of give you a 360 around it. All right, so let's get an in detailed look in hand. These do have the Vibram soles that is marked right there. This is a legit pocket. Now, forgive my ignorance, I'm not sure exactly what will go in there. I would personally put nothing in there, but who knows? Who knows? That is a legit pocket. That is beautiful. Details all throughout this piece. Beautiful. See you later, baby. My daughter. She just got done eating the Fat Boy ice cream. Yeah. Let's look at that sole, man. Very nice and clean. Can't get you an on foot with these because I haven't styled them yet. I have a vest that's of the same design that I will have, but I don't have other pieces yet. Then got to get the details of that tongue. I don't even want to untie these, but just beautiful detail. Love the feel of them. Right, nice. It's just the right amount of a rugged feel to it. Like, don't feel like really hard work boots. I referenced Tim's earlier just because, you know, a lot of people from the areas I said earlier in the video, New York, Detroit, etc., can relate to, but these are really nice. All right, guys, conclusion time. Very short review. Again, couldn't provide with an on foot just because, you know, these are something I want to just kind of keep as they are until I'm ready to wear them. I won't see myself wearing these much at all, to be honest with you, but I know they're a collector's piece. They're limited, I say it by that way, and you know, I'm really attracted to the way these look. I would tell you that, in my opinion, the photos almost don't do them enough justice, but the photos look good enough on the website to where I'm happy I made this decision. I had some reservations about what color the blue looked like to be specific, but it turned out that it looks really good in person. I like these. These retail for $400 US, and they're not currently on sale. I don't know what the sales go like for these types of items when they do the collaborations, but definitely on the pricier side when you compare it to like other boots. But you know, this is one of those pieces that me myself I was attracted to. Obviously, this isn't going to be like a widespread popular fashion item that a lot of people will see and gravitate towards. But me myself, you know, this is like right up my being my cup of tea. So really enjoy these. This is pretty much essentially what you get in a package. You get the bag right here to be able to holster the boots in. And then the box, I mean, it's a nice box, but the internals of the box are pretty much standard stuff. It's just the white paper that comes in there. But that's what I got. Just wanted to share this with you guys. I've got to get back to making more versatile content beyond just the electronics and the TVs and things like that, because I'm really into this kind of stuff. And, you know, the whole purpose of my page is just to make like a database of just like my experiences and such. So I appreciate the time, the grace. Anybody that has watched, if you enjoyed it for what it was worth, leave a thumb up. And I'll catch you on the next video. Peace, God bless, and as I always say, max love.